Hi friends, welcome back. I hope you're doing great in whichever part of the world you are. Today we will be doing a review on Skylark Negril, which is a boutique hotel which is renowned for its homely feel in this part of Jamaica. If you want to get away, if you want to feel detached in a calm and serene environment, then this is the place for you. But before you book, I just wanted to share some things I wish I knew before pressing confirm booking. So let's go. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is the fact that they don't have a microwave. People, if you decide to heat up anything, if you decide to buy anything, best believe you have to buy it and eat it, because they do not have a microwave in the room, nor do they have a TV. So make sure you bring a laptop if you want to watch Netflix, if you want to watch a movie, or if you want to just do some work, because it's going to get really boring real easily. So I want to tell you guys that you should bring a lot of snacks. Best believe the snacks help, and the snacks hold you until the next meal. They don't really microwave things out here or at Skylark, so I just wanted to give you the heads up. There is no microwave. There's no microwave. And the only way you can microwave things is if you buy anything from Miss Lily's, which is a restaurant on the property. Second thing is that they did not play when they decide non all-inclusive before everything, every activity, drink, food, and everything in between. So that was one drawback, but it could be a pro, because I know some persons don't really want the whole all-inclusive, all you can eat, and it feels like you're wasting your money because you don't eat a lot. But if you want, just pay for the room, then this is it for you. But if you are used to the all-inclusive, it might be a drawback when you realize that you have to pay for breakfast, lunch, and dinner and snacks, as well as any activities that you want to partake in. So to add to the fact of the all-inclusive, do not fall for the appealing minibar. It is stocked with every single thing that you could possibly need, or you thought you didn't need but needed. It is easy to actually look at the minibar, say, you know what, I'm gonna buy this, but you know, when you look at the prices, especially at a local, $25 for insect repellent, pass. So make sure that you just don't fall prey to the minibar, because it's very easy, it's very appealing, it's very tantalizing, and all the other words that get you. So yeah. Another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is that there's no shade. This is the only shade that you get when you go onto the beach. There is no shade. There is no shade anywhere, and you know you have to bring your sunblock because it is very, very hot. So keep in mind that, and make sure that you bring your sun hat and stay in the shade, because we black people do not like the sun. We don't like getting sunburn, and that's why I'm just walking around right here. Touching on activities is hard for long stays, so if you are going to stay for like a week or more, or 5 days or more, it's very difficult to keep yourself occupied. Like I said, there's no TV, and it's just the beach. So if you want to go to the pool, then you have to go to Rock House. There's a shuttle and all that good stuff, but there are no real activities here. It is just well suited for those who want to just get away, to just sleep and eat and sleep and eat and go to the beach and go to the pool. There's not much to do here. As you can see, I'm walking up and down the place talking to you guys. But keep in mind that when you're coming, you can stay here for like 2 nights or 3 nights. If you want to just get some real nice sleep and feel rested and relaxed and ready for the week ahead, this is the perfect place. The activities are quite a pretty penny for locals and tourists alike. It's very expensive. I believe it's like $7,000 for parasailing, not to mention some other things. I didn't even get to do that. I'm not spending that much money for a one-time experience. But if that's your cup of tea and you want to do that, then by all means, who am I to stop you? And we're back at my place. So the last thing I wanted to tell you is that this is not soundproof. You can literally hear everything everywhere at any point in time. And you don't want that if you sleep in late or you want to have a tranquil vibe. I mean, you can bring earphones to block out and turn on the music, or you can bring earplugs, just block out everything altogether. But like I said, it's a good feel, it's a good vibe. It's nice to stay and get away, and yeah, you will enjoy yourself if you come here. But right now, I have to go, guys. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.